Hello, and welcome to our channel. Today, we'll show you how to download the Prequel app on your iPhone. This is a fantastic app that lets you edit your photos and videos with a range of stunning filters and effects. First, open the App Store on your iPhone from your home screen. Once you're in the App Store, tap on the search button located at the bottom right corner of the screen. In the search bar, type Prequel and press Enter. The Prequel app icon should appear on your screen. Tap on the Get button next to the app to initiate the download process. Now, wait for the app to finish downloading onto your iPhone. Once it's done, launch the app by tapping the Open button located next to the app. When you open the Prequel app for the first time, you'll need to give the app permission to access your photos and videos. You can do this by tapping Allow when prompted. Congratulations! You have successfully downloaded the Prequel app on your iPhone. Now, you can start exploring all the amazing features it has to offer. Whether you want to add filters, effects, or edit your videos, Prequel is the perfect app for you. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and let us know in the comments section below. If you have any questions or feedback, we'd be happy to hear from you. Thanks for watching.